Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3 of Circle of Smokies. So today we're supposed to be going to the drag strip. We're supposed to be going to Tail of the Dragon. One sec, drop my room key. But we are supposed to be doing both of those today. I've got a little bit of a casualty on part of my car. Part of the fender liner ended up getting snagged under the wheel and burned a hole through it, so I'm just going to cut that off as well. It should be pretty easy enough to do. Gotta still check out of the hotel because I'm going to another one tonight, and I gotta go, do breakfast and stuff like that. But yeah, gotta fix that issue on my car. The casualty, it's literally part of this front fender liner. It got wedged earlier, and you can see it got wedged under my front tire and burned a hole through it. So I'm gonna cut that front part of it off, and I'll just end up buying another one for like $20. There's the Vanderhall from yesterday that I saw while I was waiting for my friends. Yeah, so Vanderhall is a real cool car. That's the Carmel. It's 3 wheels. It's the Chevy Cruze engine. Automatic. They're real cool. Got the culprit. Gonna put that in the back for safekeeping and for memorabilia of broken parts on a car or on a rally. But now I've got to pretty much run to get to Gatlinburg to meet up. So we're gonna head out now. We're going to Eagle Mountain Dragway and then Tail of the Dragon today, if I'm not mistaken. Made it to the drag strip here at English Mountain Raceway. I'm gonna do a bunch of 8th mile runs. Not sure how many I'll do, but this should be fun. I haven't done actual drag racing in a couple years. Bit of a grid walk. We got the 380SL, the Suvio 911, Macan GTS. You can see over there the Z4M, an M240, the Prowler, Grand Sports. It's gonna be interesting seeing what people run here. Closer, but not by much. The thing is, this doesn't have launch control, it doesn't have anything, so I keep rolling. I can't sing over the tires because obviously, it's just not really set up for this. But God, this is fun. I forgot how much fun drag racing is. If only I still had the Mustang, that would have been perfect. Mustang got him. I'm done doing some polls for the day, doing some drag racing. I did win one race against a 10-speed EcoBoost. I got a reaction time of 0.263, and my 8th was, I think, about 10 seconds, so that's pretty good considering I've never actually raced this car on the track before. That is surprising for a 9-year-old Hyundai. I am very impressed. I'm gonna head over to Tail of the Dragon now, stopping in Robbinsville, and then where I'm staying is gonna be further away from there anyway, but we're gonna be hitting up Tail of the Dragon, getting some food, everything like that, because we are now leaving the drag strip. It's a beautiful road. I have no idea what road we're on. We decided to take yet another different path to go. This is probably going to be a bit more fun, a little bit more high speed than if we'd stuck with the rest of the rally. But as pretty as it is, I have no idea where I am. Corvette, some more bikes going that way. We're gonna hit the Dragon now, though. My phone ran out of memory halfway down the Dragon at like 12 and a half minutes in. I'm going to put that up as a video anyway. It's a cool content. I'm going to do some car spotting while I'm here before heading to my hotel.